Seamus and I are in the car on the way to visit his mom. We're going over there for supper. So I think she's cooking turkey dinner. And then we're going over to my parents after because we're having our first Disney planning meeting. We'll see. I did a slideshow to show everybody what we can do, and then we're gonna have to make some decisions before we can book anything. Hey guys, we just got home. It is 9:57. We were at Seamus's mom's. We had turkey for supper, and then we went to my mom's. I had like a little slideshow presentation made up, and then they just to like give them an idea, because most of them have never been to Disney World before, different things they want to do and places they want to eat, and then we can have another meeting and decide a little bit more. It's 20 after 4, and when I get home I'm going to feed Chip and go to the gym for an hour, then come back and walk him. So today is going to be a very, very boring vlog. That's okay. I might combine yesterday's and today's if there's not enough footage to make it a whole video. Chip and I just got back from his walk. My coat is soaked, but my raincoat isn't warm enough. So Chip is also soaked. So I tried to dry him off as best as I could, but he's definitely gonna go jump right on my bed. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm filling out my passport papers. I'm going to edit this vlog and I'm going to go to bed. It is 8:15, so by the time I do all of those things, it'll be 9:30. So sorry for a boring vlog, but maybe tomorrow will be more exciting. We'll see what happens. But that's it for today. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.